Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Regrad. In this video, I want to explain about some more trigonometric problems related on the angles. Okay, these three problems I want to explain in this class. First problem is a chord of a circle of radius 6 centimeters is making an angle 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of the chord. Okay, before explaining this some problem, I want to explain what is meant by chord. So, first you know the chord means what. Suppose this is center of a circle, then take any 2 points on the circumference of circle, then join those 2 points. Then this is called a chord. This is chord AB. Suppose take anywhere AB, CD, like that anywhere we can draw MN chord. This is called MN, like that. XY. This is also chord, but this chord is passing through the center. XY chord is passing through the center of the circle, but specially this chord is called diameter. That means the chord which is the longest chord in a circle and passes through the center of the circle, that is the diameter. But diameter also a chord, but specially because it is passing through center of the circle, specially we will call it as diameter. So you understood now what is meant by chord. Chord means it is a line joining the two points on the circumference of a circle. On the circumference of a circle, if any 2 points are joined by a straight line, then that straight line is called chord. Okay, that means chord is related to circle. Now see, that's why he gave a chord of a circle of radius 6 centimeter. Because chord means in the circle, he gave the radius of the circle. He gave, see, circle, this is the center. Suppose AB is the chord, AB is the given chord, and what he gave again? The radius he gave. That means from the center onto the circumference you draw a line, that is radius. See, anywhere radius from center to on the circumference point, the distance between center to any point on the circumference is called radius. So this is radius, he gave 6 centimeters, that radius. And making 60 degrees at the center, making an angle 60 degrees at the center. This chord is making, so that means the 2 points if you join to O, suppose O is the center of the circle, then it is making 60 degrees angle. He gave that also. So that is the data he given. From that data we should find out the length of the chord. This length, what is the length of the chord AB, we should find out. Now see, first given data we will write. So in the circle O is center. In the circle O is center. Okay. Now AB is a chord. With O center, one circle is there. In that that is the circle. In that AB is a chord or chord. What he is telling, that chord is there. So it is making 60 degrees at the center. So this angle, how can you mention? BOA or AOB. So AOB, angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees given. This is also given. Next what given? OA, big letters I will write. OA is equal to OB. OA is equal to OB is equal to 6 cm, radius of the circle. Radius. See, OA is equal to OB. Why? Radius of the circle. Because this is also radius, this is also radius. Radius is same in the in any circle, radius is same. That's why this 6 means this is also 6. Okay. Now what we should do means, from O, yes, from O we should draw a perpendicular onto AB. From O onto the chord AB, draw a perpendicular. Okay, now this perpendicular, suppose OC, perpendicular OC. OC divides AB into two equal parts, otherwise bisects. OC bisects, you can write bisects means equal parts only. OC bisects AB such that AC is equal to CB. See, this OC bisects the AB. Bisects means what? AC is equal to CB or BC. Okay, why? Because it is, I told already in the previous lesson, in any isosceles triangle. So, since because OAB is isosceles triangle, symbol you write. Okay, why? Because OB is isosceles triangle. See, by seeing only you can see OAB, two sides equal, 6, 6. OA is equal to OB, here we wrote. So that's why in this triangle you take, these two sides are equal. That's why OAB is isosceles triangle. Because OAB is isosceles triangle, we are drawing the perpendicular from O to opposite side OAB. It bisects the line and also bisects the angle also. So also bisects the angle AOB, such that how it bisects? Bisects means making into two. See, this angle we are drawing this line, this angle, bisects means both are equal. This angle AOC, such that what? AOC is equal to BOC, like that it bisects. That's why, therefore, AOC is equal to BOC, both are equal. That value is 60/2, because already total angle is 60 degrees we know, given it bisects. That's why each is equal to 30 degrees. That means we know this angle 30 degrees, this angle 30 degrees. Okay. Now what is our aim? Should find AB. Okay, AB. But we want to if we want to apply trigonometric ratios, means we should have right angle triangle. So that's why we should take OAC right angle triangle or BOC right angle triangle. I am taking OAC right angle triangle. From right angled triangle AOC. Okay. Now AOC angle AOC is equal to 30 degrees. ACO that is 90 degrees. We know. See, ACO 90 degrees, that is construction. We only constructed. Okay. Now we apply. See, total we cannot find out. From this triangle we can find this one. See, this is part of the chord. No, that's why you want to construct this, means we know only hypotenuse. That's why the ratio which is having hypotenuse, the trigonometric ratio which is having hypotenuse only we can take. That is sin or cos. Tan means opposite side by hypotenuse. These two values we don't know. This only we know hypotenuse. That's why sin or cos take. I am taking sin. So sin from this triangle, sin what? AOC. Formula what? Sin formula is opposite side to angle AOC by hypotenuse. That is the formula. What is opposite side to this angle? BC, AC. Opposite side is AC. Hypotenuse is what? OA. Which values we know? AC we know? Don't know. Write as it is. OA we know? No. 6. But this is what? Sin. AOC we know? 30. That's why AOC is sin 30 degrees. AOC is 30. That's why sin 30. Sin AOC means 30 is equal to AC by 6 we calculated. Now value we write. That is sin 30 value. Sin 30 value is how much? See, sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1/2. This is 1/2. So by cross multiplication first variable you multiply. 2ac is equal to 6 1s are 6, ac is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. AC is equal to 3, but we know AC is equal to, here see, AC is equal to BC we know, that's why BC also, CB also, therefore CB also 3, because you write here, because of AC is equal to CB, because AC is equal to CB, that's why both are 3. But what is chord? Length of the chord, length of the chord AB, see, length of the chord AB is equal to AC plus CB, AC plus CB, that is equal to AB value is 3, CB value is 3, 6, that is equal to 6 centimeters. See what he asked, that the length of the chord is 6 centimeters. Like that we will solve this one. Okay. Now second problem is see first, right, second problem is what? He gave sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, cos A plus B also 1 by 2 he gave. Still what he gave? 0 less than A plus B less than or equal to 90 degrees, A greater than B he gave. That means A greater than A plus B means A plus B total is less than 90, greater than 0. That means in between 0 and 90. So that's why less than 90 or equal to 90 sometimes. One angle 0 means then that time, suppose A is 0 means then A plus B will be 90. Otherwise less than 90. So less than or equal to. So therefore A plus B is, A and B are acute angles. A plus B is acute angle. A comma B also. A plus B, A comma B are acute angles. Now, sin A plus B is equal to half. No, he gave given sin A plus B is equal to half given. But for which angle of sin is equal to 1 by 2, you should find out. See, sin table you see, sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. So instead of 1 by 2, we can write sin 30 degrees. Okay, sin table. Now this also equal to 1 by 2, this also equal to 1 by 2. Therefore sin A plus B is equal to sin 30. Therefore see, sin, this is also sin cancel means A plus B is equal to 30 degrees. Cancel means not cancel. Sin of some value is equal to sin of some value. When if the value is equal only, suppose sin 30 is always equal to sin 30 only. Sin 30 don't equal to, does not equal to another value. Sin 40 or 5, even sin 31 also don't equal. Sin 30 is not equal to sin 31 also. Some difference will come. That's why when this equal, same angle means same angle only equal. So that's why these two angles are equal gave means these two compulsory equal because variables. Okay, this we take it as one equation. Next take another one, that is cos A plus B. Cos A plus B is equal to also 1 by 2, but cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to what is the, which value of cos, which angle of cos is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. So this is cos 60. Table you see, you check the table otherwise. So like that. Now same, this also equal to 1 by 2, this also equal to 1 by 2. That's why these two are equal. That means cos A plus B is equal to cos 60. So A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. You take it as equation 2. In the form of equations we got the variables here. These are two variables equations. How to solve these equations, you know. So that's why right here like equations. A plus B is 60 degrees. Otherwise A minus B only write. A minus B is equal to 30 degrees because of equation 1. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. Equation 2. For order you should follow, that is better. Now add. By adding plus or minus cancel. Adding means A plus A 2A. Adding means 30 plus 60 is 90 degrees. We want A means 90 by 2 comes to down 45 degrees. So we got A value 45 degrees. Once you got one value, substitute this value in equation 2. Okay, substitute this value of A in EQ 1 or 2. In this or this anywhere you can substitute. I am taking first one. I wrote 1 no. A minus B is equal to 30. In this A value you substitute. A instead of A 45 degrees minus B is equal to 30 degrees. A is 45 degrees minus B is equal to 30 degrees. So minus B is equal to this variable. This 30 is like this only. This is coming from this side to this side, minus 45 degrees. Minus B is equal to minus plus 30 minus 45 means minus 15. Minus cancel. B is equal to 15 degrees. Therefore A is equal to how much? 45 degrees. B is equal to 15 degrees. A greater than B condition is satisfied. A greater than B is said, A greater than B only. Okay. Now like this we can solve. Next is third problem. Third problem, what? Is it right to say sin A plus B, sin of A plus B is equal to individually sin A plus sin B is asking. When we say yes or no, is it right to say means if it is correct means we will say yes, no means no you will tell. So LHS RHS we should prove. Both are same means yes we can say. Both are not equal means no we cannot say. So that's why A, B, any values for A and B known values you take any values. Let suppose for A is equal to 30 I am taking, B is equal to 60 I am taking degrees. Otherwise A 30 you take, A 60 you take, B 30 you take. Otherwise A 45 you take, B 45 you take. Any known values. So 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. In this only known values you take. I took these. A is equal to 30 and B is equal to 60. Substitute these values in this. First LHS taking. LHS is what? Sin A plus B. In this LHS, you substitute the values of AB. What we thought, what we think that only. So that means A is 30 degrees, B is 60 degrees. That is sin of 30 plus 60, 90 degrees. So that's why sin 90 value we know. Sin 0, 0, 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 90 is 1. So this value is 1. Now RHS you take. RHS what there? Sin A plus sin B is there. So sin A what value? 30 degrees. B value is what? 60 degrees. So now individually sin 30. Sin 0 is 0. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So LCM you take 2. 1 plus root 3. So this is the value. Now this is definitely not equal to 1. Therefore LHS not equal to RHS. That's why what you write? No, we can't say or we cannot say that sin of A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Otherwise in statements sin of A plus B mathematical statement not equal to sin A plus sin B. Instead of this wording simply sin A plus B not equal to sin A plus sin B also we can write like this. I hope everyone understood this lesson. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video.